Cut long baseboard sections by supporting the length, marking precise cut lines, and using the right saw and technique to keep both safety and accuracy. Start by measuring twice and marking the cut line clearly on the face and back of the baseboard so you can see it from any angle while cutting. Use a sturdy work table or sawhorses placed close together so the board does not droop. If the piece is longer than arm reach, get an assistant to support the far end at the same height as your supports. For straight cuts, a circular saw with a fine finish blade set to the board thickness gives a fast, accurate cut, while for delicate profiles, a miter saw with a sharp carbide blade produces cleaner edges. Choose the tool that matches the profile and cut type. Clamp the board firmly near the cut, but not directly on the line to prevent vibration and tear out, and run the saw at a steady feed rate rather than forcing it through the material. If you are cutting miters, cut both pieces in the fixture without moving the work if possible so the faces match exactly, and test fit before sanding. After the cut, remove any splinters with a wood file or sanding block and check the back of the board for a tight fit against the wall before installation. Common problems start with the board moving or sagging, which causes an angled or wavy cut. Keep continuous support along the length and have a helper hold the far end to stop that. Tear out on the painted face happens when the blade is dull or the feed speed is too high. Use a fresh, fine-tooth carbide blade and slow, steady feed, or score the cut line with a knife first. And inaccurate miters or length errors come from poor marking or not accounting for corner angles. Measure from a consistent reference point, mark on both faces, and cut slightly long, then fine-tune the fit by sanding or small passes rather than recutting. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new work by listing projects and contact options. We also host a community discussion area where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences together.